Welcome to City Grilling. My name's Rob Vore, and in this episode, there's like thousands of ways to do shrimp, and that's what I really like about shrimp. Of course, I love to eat shrimp too. But this is going to be a honey, garlic, sticky, gooey shrimp. But it's going to taste great. So, and it's fast and easy to prepare. You can do it on the stove top. I'm going to do it out on the grill on an iron skillet. But here's how it works. I've got 2 pounds of shrimp, some nice shrimp that I got from the shrimp guy here in Columbia, South Carolina. And then over my other bowl, I already have some honey. I've heated it up a little bit to make it a little more liquefied. That's about a cup of that. And then I'm gonna put in some soy sauce, some lemon juice. You could use a fresh lemon to squeeze in there. And my favorite, lots of fresh garlic. I've minced that up already. And go ahead and stir this together. If you need to heat this up to get some of that honey to kind of liquefy better, that's fine, you can do that. One other ingredient I like to do to kind of kick this up for myself, I use some hot pepper flakes. So I'm gonna pour those in there, just a teaspoon, not too many. I think I'll stop right there. That's probably just a little less than a teaspoon. And so I'll just mix this up, just like so. And then what I'll do is then take this marinade, this honey marinade with garlic, and just pour about half of it onto that shrimp, like so. Maybe a little bit more here, about like that. And I'll save the rest of that marinade for later because I'm going to use it with the shrimp. So what I'm going to do now is just let the shrimp soak in this, mix it up really good, make sure it's all coated. I left the tails on too, just to make it a little more fancier. I think the hardest part was probably cleaning, deveining the shrimp. It probably takes more than even preparing this meal. But anyways, I'll let this marinate with the shrimp for a good half hour to an hour to really let those juices kind of soak up onto that shrimp. And I'll keep it in the refrigerator. And then when I get ready to get it out of the fridge to put it in the grill, I'll go ahead and let it rest outside here in the room temperature for about 30 minutes. Okay, so we're out on the grill. I've got it heated up. I've got my skillet inside the grill with the butter already in the skillet to heat up, and it's nice and warm right now. It's about a medium-high heat. So I'm gonna take my shrimp, I'm gonna give it another stir here with that marinade with the honey. Oh boy, I can tell that's gonna be good. And I'm just gonna place it in here. I don't wanna take all the marinade out with it. I'm gonna drain some of that marinade off. I'll discard this marinade, and a little bit later, once this all cooks, then I'll bring out the other marinade that I saved. We reserved some, right? And we're gonna pour that onto the shrimp once this cooks about midway through here. Okay, let's go ahead and pull this out. A little bit more, I can smell it. Oh my goodness, it smells so good. And this won't cook very long, you know, medium-high heat here. That's gonna get hot in this iron skillet real fast. That iron skillet retains that heat. And I bet just, you know, a couple minutes on one side, gets a little bit pink, and then we'll hit the other side until it's pink all the way through and through. I'm gonna make sure this is nice mixed up in there, just like that. And go ahead and close it up. If you want to use a side burner, use your side burner, or again, you can use your stovetop to do this. I'm just gonna do it inside the grill with this iron skillet. All right, it's been a good 3 minutes. I'm gonna check on the shrimp here. It's looking really good. You know, it's starting to get pink. I'm just gonna mix it up a little bit in here. I'm gonna let it cook. Oh, it looks, by the way it looks, you know, you can see that some are still very raw. So I'm gonna let it cook another 2 to 3 minutes and check it again, and then get ready to put the rest of the sauce in. Okay, it's been a few more minutes, about 2 really. I'm gonna check on the shrimp. It's looking really good. So next step is to put the rest of that marinade in. This garlic, honey, and soy sauce. Oh boy. I'm just gonna pour it in like that and just mix it up. A lot of moisture comes off the shrimp itself. I'm just gonna give this a little bit more time, just make sure it stays coated. The shrimp's looking very good at this point. Maybe only another minute, 2 minutes. Now that's cooled it down a little bit. I'm just gonna watch it and then get ready to bring it inside and give it a try. Okay, I brought the shrimp in. It looks beautiful. Take a look at this. Really nice. It's going to be a little bit sticky and gooey in there. I can even sprinkle some sesame seeds on here. That'll be nice. You could do onions as well, sprinkle on there. I'll give a try. This is going to be extremely hot, so I want to be careful here. Pardon me. Oh, wow. This is delicious. Unbelievable. Very good. I'd highly recommend this recipe. Get the recipe at citygrilling.com. I'll have the recipe in the description below. Excuse me. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. You're gonna like this shrimp recipe.